Understanding private view in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, private view. This is a term you might encounter in social settings, art circles, and invitations. It has a unique meaning and use in English, and understanding it can be really useful. So, let's dive into the world of private views. The phrase, private view, typically refers to an event or a showing that is not open to the general public. It's an exclusive opportunity, often by invitation only, to see something before anyone else. This could be an art exhibition, a new collection at a museum, or even a screening of a film. The key here is exclusivity and privacy. Private view is often used in the art world. For instance, a gallery may host a private view of a new artist's work. Invited guests, which can include critics, collectors, and friends, get to see the artwork in a more intimate setting. It's a special preview event, offering a chance to experience the art without the crowds of a public opening. When you're invited to a private view, there are certain expectations. Firstly, it's an honor to be invited, so RSVPing is important. Dress code can vary, but it's generally a bit more upscale. It's also an opportunity to mingle with others in the industry, so bring your best social etiquette to the event. While most commonly associated with the arts, private view can also be used in other contexts. A real estate agent might offer a private view of a property, or a car dealership might have a private viewing for a new model. The principle remains the same. It's a special preview for a select group of people. I hope this video sheds some light on the phrase, private view, and helps you feel more confident in using it. Remember, it's all about exclusivity and that special preview experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.